What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I don't know what we're cooking. Today we're going to be making, Kelsey's going to be making
a creamy gnocchi soup.
Ooh.
So yeah, we have had it before but we didn't actually measure what was going into it, so I'm going to kind of be estimating what measures are going to go into it and then let you know afterwards what exactly has gone into it. So as you know, we are only 2 adults and a baby. This recipe is for 4, so I'm going to make the sauce for 4 people and then just do the gnocchi for today, and then I'll redo some more gnocchi tomorrow to go with the rest of the sauce, because I personally don't like it when gnocchi has been in the fridge.
It's a bit minging.
Yeah, it goes a bit dry, so I prefer to cook the gnocchi fresh. I mean, it only takes about like 5-10 minutes max to do the gnocchi, so I'll do that tomorrow.
There you go.
And for any eagle-eyed people out there, this video is filmed the same day as the spinach pancakes. They're cooling just in the back there. But we thought if we're having this, we may as well film it because it is delicious.
It is delicious.
Yeah, so we're going to get going now because Hugh's actually getting quite hungry. He's in a bit of a
So am I.
So
let's do this.
To begin with, then we're going to get the gnocchi on, which if you've ever cooked gnocchi, it's the easiest thing and it's the quickest thing to cook. So this is a really quick, easy recipe. You literally, this is the most expensive gnocchi you can buy as well, because all the others have either got milk or soya in them. It's very annoying. So gnocchi in plastic.
Oh.
We're saving plastic for the video, so this is going to go in here. Plastic free July.
Hey.
Hot water in.
Oof.
Hob on.
Hob on.
Cook to pack instructions.
Easy.
You put water in a pan with the gnocchi and leave it until it floats to the top.
As you can tell, we're professional chefs.
Yeah. So the gnocchi's on. We're going to get going with the sauce. Oh, peas.
Peas.
Water.
In the microwave.
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Sauce.
Ding.
2 tins. Chopped tomatoes.
Ooh.
1.
Nice.
2. In. 1 cup of boiling water.
Ooh. Hot.
In.
Yoink.
1 stock cube.
Ooh. This is the part that he does not like. What's the matter? I'm chopping your mum up. She's getting your dinner. Limbs.
Sauce. Done.
Nailed it.
The next little bit is just sauteing the onion in the spices, well, the herbs, adding the spinach and combining it all together.
I gave in. I had to pick him up. I had to pick you up tonight. What have you got?
So like I said a minute ago, last time I made this I kind of threw it all together, so I'm going to not speak about how much I'm putting in. I'm just going to keep putting it in and trying it until it tastes like it did last time. So I'll let you know at the end. But it is just garlic and basil that's going in.
I love garlic.
Peas when they come out of the microwave, very hot. Eyes when they get too close to onions, water. just going to add in the peas to the onions that I'm sauteing. And again, the water from the peas are going to help the onions saute even more without adding any more oil into it. And then I'm going to add in the spinach to the mix. The sauce into that mix now. And then we're just going to let that cook for a couple of minutes. The gnocchi's already cooked. So I'm just waiting for this to warm through, and then I'll combine them both together.
Of course, we are adding cheese. Vegan cheese.
Because cheese makes everything better.
Because cheese makes everything better.
So the gnocchi's done. The soup sauce is done. I'm going to drain the gnocchi. Back in.
Ooh, look at that.
So that is tea. All done within less than 15 minutes.
All done within less than 15 minutes. And it smells so good. Right, so now that we have finished making some good food, Hugh, time for you to get ready for dinner. Chugga 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 chugga. Chugga 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 chugga. There we go, all kitted up, ready for our dinner. Kelsey's just preparing it now, she'll bring it in, and then we will eat.